Okay, what's good you guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your grandma Chelle here, and we're back at it with another video. So if this is your first time ever being on my channel, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button and join my family. And while you're at it, turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, let's get into this video, you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rock sneakers. A lot of girls like sneakers, but they don't know how to rock sneakers. And I know that's something that's kind of common for some girls because it's like we want to be comfortable too. And I know some girls, it's like they just don't know how to rock it and they don't want to look, you know, like a guy. Maybe the tomboy feels it's not for them or whatever it may be, or they're just like, I really just don't know how to like put sneakers together in an outfit. So if you're one of those, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of ways that I rock sneakers, and just to give you some outfit inspo if you're into that. I like sneakers and I want to show you guys how I rock it so you can get some fashion inspo. Also, just putting out a lot more videos so you guys can kind of gauge my sense of style. I can be very dressy with boots and heels and this and that, but at the same time I could rock my kicks, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's get right into it. I have about 5 outfits that I'm going to show you guys just so you guys can get some outfit inspo on how to rock your sneakers if you have any of these. So what I have going on is I'm wearing my Adidas Young Ones, and this is in the triple white colors, and then I have on these like charcoal colored joggers, and then these joggers are from Urban Planet. It's based out of Canada. These are from the men's section and I got it a couple years ago. So unfortunately they don't have these joggers anymore. But a pro tip for ladies that are looking for good joggers, always shop the men's section. Quality is always better, the fit is always better, and it's probably going to last longer as well. And then I just have on this tank top, and it's from Zara. And then I also have on some charcoal socks that are going on top of my joggers. And this is like definitely Kim K vibes, but it's super cute and just comfy. Next, my slouchy jeans and slouchy pants. These pants are from Zara. Actually, this top is from Zara. This whole outfit is from Zara. And then the sneakers I have on are my Nike React Sur 2s. I showed this in my sneaker haul. I just think that this looks really cute. I decided to pair it with this neon color because it's perfect for the springtime and summertime. And it's just like a little accent that I have in my shoes. I don't know if you can see them from back here, but these shoes do have a lime green accent on the tongue. So it's kind of just using that color and just making it like a focal point on my outfit without it looking too matchy-matchy. So here is this. I'll also show you guys these sneakers and these pants as well with a different top. But here's just one option. Next! Okay guys, so here's the Sur 2s with the different top. This top is also from Zara. I know, I'm teasing you guys. I might as well just do the Zara haul sometime soon. But I may grab some more things from Zara before I do this haul. But yeah, so again, slouchy pants from Zara. This top that's from Zara. And then my Nike React Sur 2s. I like this a lot more, but honestly I like long sleeve stuff, so that's probably why I like it more. I do like the top. It may be a little bit too much for when it's super hot outside, but this is a super cute way. Again, it's like very feminine, but then we have like the slouchy pants and the sneakers, so it makes it androgynous. But yeah, here's this outfit. Next! Honestly, one of my favorite outfits. But before I go ahead and back up, the top I'm wearing is my cropped Adidas top. So you guys can see like and kind of understand why I'm rocking it with my Adidas, just because I didn't want to mismatch with Nikes and Adidas. So here's this outfit. To be honest, it's honestly one of my favorite outfits. It's so cute. These shorts, or these like tracky shorts, are so cute and so trendy, and I just love the way they fit. They are very flattering. I just think they're super cute. And then I have it with my red gingham blazer that was in my New Chic haul. And of course, like, this is stuff that I haven't got to wear outside yet because we've been bored in the house bored, you know. But this is cute. I just think this is paired like super cute. It's very comfortable. It's very chill. And I think that you could wear this on a hot summer day because this blazer is very thin and it just looks a little classy yet cute and like sporty. Next, this outfit, I just have it paired with my Nike React Prestos, and then I have on some shorts, and these shorts are from Shein. I have a love-hate relationship when it comes to these shorts, I'm not gonna lie. And then I just have it with oversized button-up white shirt that was thrifted. Any type of oversized button-up will do. I'm not gonna lie, for the summertime this might be a little hot. It's perfect for the springtime, but when it's actually truly hot, I think the white button-up might be a bit much because I am a little hot in it. If you do want to achieve this look, then I would suggest wearing it with like a linen button-up, so it's a little breathable. But other than that, this is just super cute and comfy. I would definitely rock this with like a crossbody purse, as well as just like my Key Australia glasses, and I think that'd be like a good way just to be good and out the door, and super simple and cute. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed these recommendations I have, and hopefully that could give you some idea of how you want to rock sneakers if that's something that you're just starting to get into, or if you just need some refreshers or some new fresh ideas and you haven't tried any of these options out, then definitely give them a try. Comment down below what your favorite look with some sneakers was in this video, and be sure to tell me what other videos you want me to make because I'll definitely push those out for you guys. Other than that, don't forget to tell your mama, your auntie, your brother, your brother's girlfriend, and your grandma to join my family, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Much love. Bye, y'all.